Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Fairy Tail Wizard Chronicle game crashing or not launching or not working, keep stopping or other issues on Android phone. So the very first method is to restart your device once. For that, press the volume up plus power button and then select restart. So this will restart your phone. Now after your phone restarts, check if you can play the game. If not, next you should check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search bar, search for the game Fairy Tail Wizard Chronicle, and now here you have to check if the game needs any kind of update. If there is any update available, update your game to the latest version and then try to play it. If not, next is to force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on app info. After that, click on force stop and then click on OK. So this will force stop the app. Now once done, check if the issue is fixed. If not, you are also suggested to clear the cache of the game. For that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on app info. Now go to storage and cache, and here you have to click on clear cache option. Now after clearing the cache, open the game and check whether you can play it. If not, you are suggested to check the internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you are using Wi-Fi, then go to mobile data or do vice versa and then check whether the game is opening or not. If not, you should check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. For that, go to settings and then go below, and here you have to click on system update, and after that check if any update is available. Now the steps may be vary, but you have to check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. After updating your device OS to the latest version, now try to play the game and check if it's working. If you still face the same issue, then you are suggested to reinstall the game once. For that, you have to click and hold the game icon over here. Now you can see delete icon, click on it and then click on uninstall. So this will remove the game from your device. After that, again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for the game, that is Fairy Tail Wizard Chronicle, and now click on the install option and then wait for some time unless the game is installed, and once done, try to play the game and check if it's working now. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.